Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 8 of the series Jazz for Two. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yoon Sejin asked Sehun that why is he looking through his yearbook. Sehun asked him if he was friends with Taejun and did he died because of Sejin. Sehun asked that why did he had Taejun's jazz score. Sejin tells that he first met Taejun at that piano room and was attracted towards him. And soon they became friends. They became close to each other and soon Sejin developed feelings for him. He hoped that Taejun wouldn't know it. Taejun made that song for his brother and Sejin wrote the score for him and titled it as Jazz for Two. Finally, Taejun took a step towards him, but he repelled. Taejun confessed his feelings, but Sejin rejected him as it was a sin to do. Sejin moved ahead, but Taejun chose to stay in past. Hantei could still not come out of the trauma of Taejun's death, as he didn't knew the reason and wasn't able to help his brother when in need. But his brother is now asking him to focus on that person who is important now and give his life a new meaning. Doyun calls Tei that someone is throwing away all the stuff from the piano room and asks Tei to reach there soon. But till the time Tei reached there, the piano was gone. As Sehun wasn't picking up the call, so Tei asked the teacher for his address. Tei reached his room and met his brother and asked about Sehun. Tei told his name to Sejin, but just then Sehun came and took Tei outside. Sehun was anxious about something and asked Tei to break up, saying that he doesn't like Tei anymore. He asked Tei not to come back looking for him and leaves. Sejin asked Sehun that is Tei Taejun's brother, but Sehun ignored his question. Tei's uncle calls him at the bar as Sejin was there to meet Tei. Sejin hands Tei the score of Jazz for Two, which Taejun wrote and he drew the score for it, and tells that Sehun found it in Sejin's book. He apologized to Tei about Taejun. Now Tei has realized that it was because of this Sehun intentionally broke up with him, as he must be blaming himself and crying alone somewhere. But now he can't let Sehun go away as he loves him. When they reached school, it was Doyun who was the most excited one, as he was worried about Sehun and missed him dearly. But now, as the piano was gone, so they needed a new practice room to practice for the concert. Tei's uncle gave them his old practice place for use. Doyun wanted to bring a new member to the group, and it was Juha. Although it was an awkward situation for everyone, but Sehun took the initiative and asked Juha to join them. They started their practice in full swing. Both the music and the romance was going hand in hand, which was breaking all the barriers and building a new level of friendship and confidence. Finally, it was the day of the concert, and Sehun were in their romantic mood, but Doyun is always there to disturb them. They gave a beautiful performance together with Tei as the lead singer. Life is taking its ways, and it's 3 years down the line when Sehun comes back to his school and plays for the students to learn. Hantei was waiting for him as usual. Their love has faced so many hardships, but as it is said, that love always finds its ways. So, guys, do believe in love, that when you give it your all, it will give you the best of it. Thank you.